This is Pak Penang, Thailand. Had about a week of rain, and it is really coming down now. As you can see by the neighbor's house, water is right up underneath. And not as bad as down the road with some of the people underwater. But hopefully it'll end soon. Across the road, I don't know if you can see, but that's supposed to be all grass over there. Anyway, better days are coming.